2 celery stalks, chopped, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 cups red wine, 2 cups beef broth, 2 sprigs fresh rosemary, 2 sprigs fresh thyme, 1 bay leaf. Directions: 1. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. 2. Season the short ribs generously with salt and pepper. 3. Heat olive oil in a large, oven-safe pot over medium-high heat. Sear the short ribs on all sides until browned, about 8 minutes total. Remove and set aside. 4. In the same pot, add the onion, carrots, and celery. Cook for about 5 minutes until softened. 5. Add garlic and tomato paste to the pot, cooking for another 2 minutes. 6. Pour in the red wine, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pot. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. 7. Add beef broth, rosemary, thyme, and bay leaf to the pot. Return the short ribs to the pot, making sure they are submerged in the liquid. 8. Cover the pot with a lid and transfer it to the preheated oven. Braise for 2.5 to 3 hours, or until the short ribs are fork tender. 9. Remove the short ribs from the pot and strain the sauce, discarding the solids. Serve the ribs with the sauce spooned over the top. Prep time, 20 minutes. Cooking time, 3 hours. Total time, 3 hours 20 minutes. kcal, 550 kilocalories. Servings, 4 servings,